The topic is work. Definition of work is the work is defined as the product of the net force acting on a body and the distance moved in the direction of a force. That is, the work is equal to force into parallel distance. See, the work is nothing but the transfer of energy by a force acting on an object as it is displaced. The work that a force does on an object is the product of the magnitude of the force times the magnitude of the displacement times the cosine of the angle between them. In symbols, the SI unit of work is joule. Therefore, the formula is W is equal to F into D. The next term is power. Power is the rate at which work is done. That is, if an external force is applied to an object and if work is done by this force in times t, then the power is P is equal to W by T. That is, power is equal to work upon time, and the SI unit of power is watt. That is, 1 watt is equal to 1 joule upon second. The next term is energy. Energy is defined as the ability to do work. Energy is just the force that causes things to move. Energy comes in many different forms. Some of they are mechanical energy, chemical energy, muscular energy, light energy, and etc. And the energy is divided into the two types. That is, first one is the kinetic energy and second one is the potential energy. Where the best way to think about them is that the potential energy occurs before an action and the kinetic energy happens during an action. The first one is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy an object has because of its motion. If we want to accelerate an object, then we must apply a force. Applying a force requires us to do work, and after work has been done, energy has been transferred to the object and the object will be moving with a new constant speed. This is the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy is energy of motion and it is a scalar quantity, and the formula for the kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. The next one is the potential energy. Potential energy is the stored energy. The compressed spring has potential energy because when it released, it can do work on the mass m. Therefore, the potential energy is the stored energy in an object due to its position, properties, and forces acting on it. Common type of potential energy includes gravitational energy, elastic energy, magnetic energy, and electric energy. The gravitational potential energy is energy of position. The gravitational potential energy is equal to weight into height, that is, potential energy is equal to m into g into h. These energies relate to an object's position or shape and their potential to convert into kinetic energy. The next one is the conservation of energy. It means the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy in a system is constant in absence of friction. If there is friction, there is the kinetic energy and potential energy having some value. That is, the kinetic energy plus potential energy is equal to constant if there is no friction. The energy cannot be created or destroyed. It may be transferred from one form of energy to the another form of energy, but total amount of energy in the system remains constant. This is a conservation of energy.